Hello everybody, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I want to talk about semantic elements in HTML. So the semantic elements are those elements which has got a meaning. Here the meaning means the semantic elements are those elements inside which there is a specific content. But with the non-semantic elements, that is like div element, you cannot specify what type of content will be inside of this div element. It could be anything. It could be picture, it could be text, it could be article, it could be anything. But with the HTML5 semantic elements, it is quite fixed that with the specific element you specify specific content in your web document. For example, by the article, that is the HTML5 semantic element that is inside of the article element. You have to use like post or the article that you got, and a side elements is also a semantic element that fix the sidebars inside of a web document, details, edit, and so on. So let's use the article element. So article element, simple. You keep the tag article, and inside of article, let me give it lorem 50 and hit enter and save it. Go to the live server, go live. There we go. This is about the article. It is simple. The article element is generally used for post that you want to create inside of your web document. Pretty simple. And a side is generally used for the sidebars. We don't have sidebar here. It is pretty simple. If you don't have those if you display it just like that without any CSS, it is displayed like a bare text, like a paragraph, but it is used for the specific content, just a name, but it is used for specific things in HTML. That it just makes the life a lot easier as a developer. It makes our code, or it makes our markup easier to read and easier to understand. So that is why there is HTML5 semantic elements. So details are all the same. Let me show you figure. Figure inside of, we start a figure element. Inside a figure element, we use the image tag, and inside the image source I think I have inside there I have img.jpg inside the folder, so I can say img.jpg, and let me give it alt and image and save it. And I can also give a figure caption right here inside of I think that is fig caption, and why is not showing? I don't know. Fig caption, and fig caption to be the image. I don't know what the image is, so I cannot say what's the figure caption over there. So image, and if I go down there, and the image as a caption is displayed here. So it's like so that is about the figure element in HTML. And we got footer and header. That is, footer is displayed in the bottom. It's pretty simple. If we don't have any CSS, that is like a simple paragraph writing. And mark, the mark tag is like a marking. Let me show you by doing it. Mark, it gives you simply a blue background, a coded one, just like this one. In books you would do that. So that is about the that is the mark element in HTML. And nav element is pretty simple, and section element are quite extensively used. You will see a lot of section element being used. Section element are generally used as giving it the ID of about, let's say, home, and we will write something here. It is my home tag, and inside after the end of that section we use ID, define about us, and we use different for the we use the ID of what to say, that was contact, and so on. We use these tags to make our life a lot easier as a developer to understand what is being done there. All right, so that is about the HTML semantic element.